When facing foreclosure, time is a homeowner's worst enemy. Every day that you do nothing is one step closer to your home being foreclosed on. Foreclosure is a very scary situation, and most homeowners don't really know how or where to seek foreclosure help. Hiring a foreclosure defense attorney is a major decision in a foreclosure matter. The biggest problem is that many foreclosure defense attorneys are not properly trained to offer homeowners the foreclosure protection that they need to defend against their mortgage lenders. If you hire the wrong foreclosure defense attorney to represent you, this mistake will cost you and will result in your home being foreclosed on. I hope you get it and understand how important it is to select a good foreclosure defense attorney to represent you in a foreclosure situation. A homeowner's guide to hiring a good foreclosure defense attorney. 1. Get educated yourself. The most important thing that a homeowner must do is to become educated themselves about how to fight foreclosure. The Go Fight Foreclosure System 2.0 is a self-help guide on how to challenge and fight foreclosure. Every homeowner should get educated on foreclosure defenses and protection. This is very important when hiring a foreclosure defense attorney. 2. Check your foreclosure defense attorney litigation experience. This is critical when hiring a foreclosure defense attorney. You need to inquire into how many litigation cases has your foreclosure defense attorney actually handled against mortgage lenders. Be sure to point out that you are not interested in bankruptcy cases, because that does not count as a true foreclosure litigation depending on what state you're in. Some cases will require that you will be the plaintiff and the mortgage lender will be the defendant. Ask what litigation experience does the foreclosure defense attorney has with assisting the homeowner to bringing a litigation against the mortgage lender. Inquire into how many of these cases went to trial, got settled, or were dismissed. It's critical that you ask these types of questions to gain an understanding for how experienced your foreclosure defense attorney is or lacking. 3. Ask about your foreclosure defense attorney knowledge of wrongful foreclosure. While this might seem like a very easy question for an attorney representing a client in a foreclosure matter, it is not. You might want to inquire into what training and seminars your foreclosure defense attorney has attended concerning foreclosure litigation. Be specific and request that your foreclosure defense attorney explain what types of situations classify a wrongful foreclosure. Be direct after reviewing your foreclosure situation. Ask your foreclosure defense attorney, does he or she feel your foreclosure situation is wrongful? Request to know if your foreclosure defense attorney has worked with expert witnesses or served as an expert witness in a foreclosure litigation. How many? 4. Make sure your foreclosure defense attorney can demand what you want. Here is where you select the good from the bad. Many attorneys are taking homeowners' money and not truly providing them any foreclosure defense. That is unethical and not due process of law. Make it clear if you are trying to keep your home versus simply only buying time. Inquire into what will be the foreclosure defense strategy to save your home from foreclosure. Ask about how will your foreclosure situation be evaluated to determine what wrongful foreclosure defenses you have. 5. Will your foreclosure defense attorney seek to void a sale after foreclosure? Not many foreclosure defense attorneys have experience with voiding or vacating a foreclosure sale. If you have a foreclosure that took place and you are still in the property, your foreclosure defense attorney should be able to help you with options to try to void or vacate the foreclosure sale. Whatever you do, make sure that the foreclosure defense attorney representing you is well educated on how to help you. Even if your potential foreclosure defense attorney has not taken a case to litigation before, if he or she wants to provide a wrongful foreclosure defense litigation, the outcome can be effective. Just make sure that you are hiring a foreclosure defense attorney that is going to offer you assistance to seek due process of law to defend your home from wrongful foreclosure.